हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, आज हम एक बहुत ही सिंपल सा ऐसे करेंगे ऑन माय फैमिली। जैसा कि एग्ज़ाम सीज़न आ रहा है तो आई नो बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स की ये डिमांड है कि माय फैमिली जो हिंदी मीडियम स्टूडेंट्स को खासकर आता है एग्ज़ाम में, एंड फॉर प्राइमरी स्टूडेंट्स आल्सो एंड मिडिल स्कूल स्टूडेंट्स। So I have prepared a short essay on my family. Family is the basic unit of society. As is the family, so is the society. And the vice is also true. As is the society, so is the family. तो जैसी फैमिली होती है वैसे ही उन सब फैमिली से मिलके वैसे ही सोसाइटी बनेगी, और जैसे सोसाइटी होगा वैसा ही फैमिली भी बनेगी. Then, after these two lines of introduction, you can start with your essay. I am blessed to be born in a very good family. So, आप अपने फैमिली के बारे में थोड़ा सा पॉजिटिव पॉइंट बोल सकते हैं. After that, you have to introduce yourself. I am Shantanu Patel and I am a student of class 10th. After that, अपने फैमिली को इंट्रोड्यूस करेंगे. My father is Mr. Prakash Patel. He is a farmer. He is a hardworking person and a positive person. My mother is Mrs. Uma Patel. She is a homemaker. She inspires us to be in discipline and to be kind and helpful. I have an elder brother. He studies in class 12th. He is my best friend. I have a younger sister. She studies in class 6th. So, this is a brief description about your family. After that, you can talk about your family values. My parents teach me to be kind and helpful. They constantly push me to work hard and be successful in whatever I do. As a family, we always pray together and eat together. This keeps our family bond strong. I love my family very much. So, children, this was a small essay about your family, small and simple essay about your family. So, I hope you